AGI's annual report for 2017 indicated that the economy was fairly stable as there was positive growth in both the private and public sector. The outgoing president of the Association of Ghana Industries, Mr. James Asariye, said although the policy rate is pegged at 21%, the lending rate, which is between 25 and 28%, is high. He suggested that the central bank regulates the pricing of loans to stabilize interest rates.
Looking at policy rates at 21% at the moment, industry would have expected a bigger decrease in lending rates, from commercial banks. However, we still have, lending rates hovering between 25 and 28%, which is quite high as compared to sub-regional average. AGI has persistently indicated that there's the need for the central bank to bring in some level of regulation, as far as pricing of loans are concerned. For example, if you have a policy rate, the borrowing rate or lending rate should not be beyond 400 basis points or 4 percentage points, above the policy rate. These are some level of regulations that would help the private sector to be able to actually get access to cheaper cost of credit. Let us understand that in most cases, you have businesses in this country competing, against certain setups or companies that are in the sub-region or on the continent or maybe globally. So we need to be competitive. And if we are not, then definitely the outlook of the economy will not support investment flow into the economy.
The Association of Ghana Industries is to support the Ministry of Trade and Industry on government's One District, One Factory initiative, which will include over 400 existing businesses across districts. The president of the association believes effective implementation of the policy may spur economic growth.